Are you looking to shield yourself or your loved ones from explicit content online and take control of your internet experience? Today, we're diving into how to easily activate SafeSearch in Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. First, open your Google Chrome browser. You'll typically see a search bar at the top. When you perform searches, Google's results can sometimes contain content you'd rather avoid. SafeSearch is designed to filter out this explicit material. To begin, let's head to the bottom of any Google search results page. Look for a link that says Settings. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to the Google Search Settings page. Here, you'll find various options to customize your search experience. Our main focus is the SafeSearch section. You'll see an option to turn on SafeSearch. Simply click the toggle or checkbox next to turn on SafeSearch. This action will immediately activate the filters. You might see a confirmation that SafeSearch is now on. This means explicit results for both images and text will be filtered out from your Google searches. And that's it. You've successfully turned on SafeSearch now. Your Google searches on this browser will be a much safer and more controlled environment, offering peace of mind for everyone.